Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MDR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be done. First, going to do is a little house clean and get rid of that line. Sure, the level pertains, but I want to try to keep this as clean as possible going forward. And that's why I'm also going to get rid of that line, because there's other levels that we can focus on that will make this a little bit easier to see and kind of visualize from the trading standpoint. But really the big dynamic and what everything is circling around right now is the fact that you got to give credit where credit's due. From where the price was at its lows to where it ultimately closed, that was a good solid bounce. But of course, there's a lot of work that needs to be done, but off to a good start, which brings about the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around that 62-cent mark denoted here on the chart at 62, or by that green line. So why is 62 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with true strength, so a bounce that's a true legitimate bounce, well, the price is going to keep on bouncing, right? Or in other words, the price is going to make progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So think about that. If the price were to go down to 62 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price came down here, behaved in that manner, and then began to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that set of lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, quote unquote, the progress point being at 62 cents. As far as levels of resistance, like I said, in the spirit of simplifying things, no pun intended, but keep an eye on the 50 period, a simple moving average up there, which currently is valued at 76 cents. So like I said, nice bounce today. Now it's just a question of, can the price build upon this momentum next week? Let's see what happens. Real quick, if you found this video helpful, then I'm very confident in saying you'd find great value in this live web class that I'm offering. So if you're interested in learning more or getting signed up, you can go to claycharter.com/live or just click the link in the description area. It's totally free. There's a question and answer session at the end. It's all very interactive. So go to that link, get signed up, and I'll see you at the class.